Good morning to everyone. I welcome you all class 3 EVS. See students, today we will discuss about the topic that is the new chapter, let us build a house. Yes, already you learned up to 7th lesson. Okay, today we will start that is 8th lesson. Okay, so what we will learn from this lesson, we learn here to identify the different types of houses. Yes, so we can understanding from this lesson what we will learn here to identify the different types of houses and to get more information about about different materials. So we are using different types of materials to build a house. Yes, and also we use the construction of materials we used to construction of buildings. So in this lesson we will be learn these all things. We can see the different types of houses and also see the different types of materials. So we are using to build a house or to build a buildings. Yes. Okay. So first we will learn from this lesson types of houses. See here students, they can given here in the textbook. Here see. So they can given here in your textbook, see the page number 75, see different types of houses they can given here. First one we can call this one hut. Second one that is sheet house, that the house is made by here, the roof is sheet. Okay, we can call this one sheet house. Third one, see we can call this one bungalow. And fourth one, see here the apartment, we can call this one the apartment. And here see this one we can call tent house. What we can call this one? So this one we can call as a tent house. Okay, so sixth one they can given here, this one we can call detached house. Okay, and the last one that is the farmhouse. Okay, so these all are the types of houses. Okay, see here I'll write these all the houses. First one hut. Second one sheet house. Okay. Third one bungalow, apartment, and next one tent, detached house, and farmhouse. Yes, so these all are the types of houses. Yes, so you can see these all the types of houses in our surroundings. Yes, hut, sheet house, bungalow, apartment, tent, detached house, and a farmhouse. Okay, see here, so we can see here the types of houses use different types of materials. Yes, we can see now. So which are the types, that means which type of house we are using, which type of materials. Okay, see. So first I'll write here, first one the types of houses hut. Okay, so which type of materials we are used to build the hut. Okay, so we are using to build house wood, mud, leaves, and sand. So these all the materials to use build the hut. Okay. So second one, that is sheet house. Okay, which are the materials to build this sheet house? Sheets, mud, bricks and metals. So these all the things, sheet, mud, bricks and metal, so we are using to build the sheet house. Okay. Next one, that is bungalow. So which are the materials we use to build this house? So we are using here metal, cement, sand and tiles. So we are using these materials to build the bungalow: metal, cement, sand and tiles. Okay. Next one, that is apartment. So to build the apartments, so using for the materials bricks, cement, metal and tiles. So these all the materials used to build the apartment. Okay. Next one, that is tent. Okay. So here see, tent we are using here canvas, rope, nails and metal rods. So these all the materials to use build the tent. So those are canvas, rope, nails and metal rods. Okay. Next one, that is detached house. Okay. So these to used sand, rocks, clay and wood. So these material to use build the detached house. Okay. Next one, that is farmhouse. Yes. So we use bricks, cement, sand, stone. So these all the materials to use to build the farmhouse. So see here, first one, hut we are using wood, mud, leaves and sand to build. Okay. And sheet house we are using sheets, mud, bricks and metal to build the sheet house. Next one, bungalow. So we are using to metal, cement, sand and tiles. Okay. Next one, that is apartment. So materials used here bricks, cement, metal, tiles we are using. Okay. Next one, tent. Tent for here using materials canvas, rope, nails and metal rods. Okay. Next one, that is detached house. So we are using sand, rocks, clay and wood. Okay. Next one, that is farmhouse to use bricks, cement, sand and stone. So these all are the materials used to build the different types of houses. We are using different types of materials. Yes. Okay. Next one, so we can understanding how are the houses are constructed. So how are the houses are constructed? So according to the plan of an engineer, a house is constructed by using the materials like bricks, cement, metal, stone, or as a rocks, wood, then metal rods, so tiles. These all are using to build the houses. Okay, or as a construct the buildings. Okay, so next one we are see here the tent house. One by one we'll see here. Okay, so first one we are going, that is tent house. Okay, so tent house is, it is not a permanent house. So like other houses, yes, it is not a permanent house like others. Yes, and you can stay inside the tent. You can stay inside the tent. And also the materials used to construct here, I already told these all here: canvas, rope, nails and metal rods. So construction used to materials. And it is also shipped from one place to other place. Yes, see here about the tent house. You know that is tent house. So that is here, it is not a permanent house. Yes, that are here made by almost all they are using canvas, and also rope they are using too, and also nails and metal rods to you build the house, and you are also staying inside that house. Okay, it is also shift from one place to other place. We are shifting from one place to other place because that is made by which one? Canvas. See here, so this is, we can call this one tent house. Yes, okay. So next one we are going, that is hut. Yes, second one. Second one we are studying now, hut. Okay, so here, so the more materials are not needed to build this hut. So more materials are not needed to build. Okay, and for constructions need a materials like wood, mud, leaves and also sandstone. So it is very simple to build. It is very simple to build. Yes, see students, already. So in your surrounding is there hut, see how it is, and so it is it means it's not needed more materials to build this house, and also we are using for this house construction is wood, mud, leaves, sand and also stone we are using to build the houses, and it is very simple to build, so not need more materials. So we can understanding it is a very simple to build the house. Understanding about this one? Okay, so next one, that is detached house. Yes, see here, first one, this detached house roof is made of tiles. Okay, and the materials required to build are mud, sand, rocks bricks, cement, metal, wood, clay and tiles. Yes, so here see students, we are using this one. It means that detached house roof is made up of tiles and used to construction of this house. So mud, sand, rocks, bricks, cement, metal, wood, clay and tiles. So these all are the materials to you build the houses. That is detached house. Okay, so next one we'll see, that is mud house. Mud house. Yes, see here, mud house. So this is here, that's its mud house roof is thick, and so it will be cold in summer and warm in winter. So it will be cold in summer and warm in winter. And the roof is built with mud, soil, sand, clay and straw. So these all the materials used to build a roof. Okay, see here, mud house is, roof is very thick because they are using to build mud, soil, sand and clay and also straw using to build the roof. Okay, so it is a very cold in summer season, okay, and very warm in winter season. You know that is in summer season very hot, but this house is, so it gives coldness in summer season and also warm in a winter season. In winter season very cold, okay, it gives a warm in a winter season. Yes, understood about this one? This is mud house. Okay, so next one, that is we are studying now, that is building. Okay, so buildings are looks to very nice. Okay, so different types of buildings to see in a, so all the buildings are looking different. So these all are having buildings. So these all are having nice terrace. So these buildings are having nice terrace and can resist heat, rain and cold. Therefore many people appreciate and also these materials needed to build see here. So we can understanding this terrace is very nice to see and also it can be resist so heat, rain and also cold. Okay, and also see here, therefore many peoples are appreciate because so it's looking nice and it's a nice terrace and also it resists heat, rain and also cold. Okay, so which are the materials to use build this house? For walls, okay, for walls which are the materials used to here? Bricks, cement, sand, rocks and also paints to use to build the which one? Walls to build here, bricks, cement, sand, rocks and also paints. Okay, so next one, doors. So which are the materials used to build a door? So wood we are using, yes, and steel, metal rods and also paints to used to prepare a doors. Okay, next one, windows. So windows needs wood, fiber, glass, metal, rods. Okay, next one, that is roof. So used to materials for roofs, those are bricks, cement, rocks, metal rods. Yes, next one, that is floor. Bricks, cement, sand, rocks and tiles. Yes, see students, for the construction of the buildings here, so materials used here for wall. So what are the materials needs to wall here? Bricks, cement, sand, rocks and paints. So for doors we are using wood, steel, metal rods and paints. Windows, wood, fiber, glass and metal rods. Roof, bricks, cement, rocks, metal rods. And a floor, so bricks, cement, sand, rocks and tiles. So these all the materials to use build the houses for the different materials. So walls, doors, windows, roof and floor. See students, see your house. So which are the materials they are using to build your house? For purposely walls, what they are using to build, and doors, which are the material used to prepare, and windows also, which materials are used to prepare windows, and roofs and floors. So these all, so which are the materials used to totally build your house. Yes, understood about this lesson? Yes, I hope you understood this lesson. So next lesson we'll see in next class. Thank you for watching.